everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. Okay students, we have completed our block 6. I hope you have completed your yesterday's homework. Our previous class was the grammar class about describing words, the adjectives, how to compare the things. Yes, today we are going to start our block 7. And what is our today's topic? Word web. Before going to proceed our class, I would like to request all the students to collect your resources. And what will be the resources for today's class? Your content book, notebook and workbook. And the keywords for today's class, describing words. Yes, describing words. Second is character and third is word web. These are the keywords for today's class. And our agenda as usual, questioning, activity, discussion, worksheet and then homework. Yes student, what is the meaning of word web? Have you ever listened about web? What is the meaning of web? Yes, you have listened about the web. It is made by spider. Yes, web. But today we are going to learn about the word web, how to use word web. So what is our aim? Our aim is to use a word web to describe a person. Today we are going to use word web to describe a person. Means हम एक person को describe करने के लिए word web का use करेंगे. Okay. Yes student. Now it is time for the action part. Now what will we do? Yes, we will take a quick review of Pranav's friend. Yes. So what happened in the story? Pranav's friend. It was Pranav's turn to throw the ball. His friend Saket was batting. Saket hit the ball with the bat. Thwack. The ball flew into the bushes. Snap, crack, twigs broke and leaves fell on the ground. Oh no, said Pranav. Be careful not to hurt my friends. Saket was surprised. He could see only trees and bushes in Pranav's garden. But where were Pranav's friends? Pranav found the ball and patted the bushes. These bushes are my friends. Pranav said, all the trees are my friends. But I am your friend. Saket said, of course you are. Pranav nodded. Yes, I have read only half of the story. What happened in the story? This is the story about Saket and Pranav. They both are playing in Pranav's garden. When they were playing, their ball flew away in the bushes. उनकी बॉल कहाँ चली जाती है? Bushes में. Yes, trees की तरफ चली जाती है. Then what happened? Some leaves of the trees fell down. कुछ पत्तियां गिर जाती हैं और कुछ twigs जो है वो टहनियां जो है trees की वो टूट जाती हैं. Then what did Pranav say? Pranav was sad. Yes, Pranav को बुरा लगता है. Then Pranav said, oh no, you hurt the trees and bushes. These are my friends. Yes, Saket is asking, who are your friends? Then Pranav is saying, these bushes and these trees are my friends. Yes, this was the story. Yes. So today we are going to learn more about Pranav. Yes. So today we will learn about Pranav through the word web. How are the trees Pranav's friends? Yes. In the story, Pranav was saying that these trees are my friends. Yes, how these trees are Pranav's friends? Yes, because the trees are in his garden and he feels about the trees like his friend. Okay, how do these trees help him? Yes, if trees helping us? Yes, trees helping us a lot. How? Because they are purifying the air, they are giving us wood, they are giving so many fruits, vegetables, so they are helping us a lot. Yes students, today we are going to learn about Pranav. Yes, today we will learn more about Pranav. Which kind of boy was Pranav? Yes, we will learn about Pranav through the word web. By using the word web, we will collect some description, we will collect some qualities of Pranav. Yes, who is the main character in the story? Right, Pranav is the main character in the story. Yes, I have written here Pranav And what will we do? This is called a word web. In these circles we will write about Pranav, about the qualities of Pranav. Yes, which kind of boy Pranav was? Yes, Pranav was a nice boy. Yes, nice. Which kind of boy? Nice. So through this word we can make simple sentences also. Pranav was a nice boy. Okay. How does Pranav feel when the ball flew away in his trees, in his garden? Yes. जब बॉल उछलकर उसकी bushes और trees पे चली जाती है, then how does Pranav feel? Yes. कैसा फील करता है वो? वहाँ पर क्या था गार्डन में? ट्रीज और बुशेस थी, तो बुशेस के ऊपर जब चली जाती है वहां से क्या होता है? सम लीव्स फेल डाउन, सम ट्विग्स क्रैक. यस, कुछ ट्विग्स टूट जाती है. देन हाउ डज ही फील अबाउट द ट्रीज? उनके बारे में उसको कैसा फील होता है? यस, राइट, ही फील काइंडनेस. यस, काइंड, because he feel kindness for the trees also, so he is a kind boy. Yes, and he takes care of the plants, his trees and bushes, so he is a caring boy. We can write here caring. Yes student, you can make this word web in your notebook and you can fill it like this, and you will make simple sentences by using these words also. Yes, so many qualities were there in Pranav. Yes, yes. What does Pranav say about the trees? Yes, Pranav said that these trees are my friends. Yes, so he was friendly. He was a gentle boy also, and Pranav was very sweet and a loving boy, as he loves everyone. He loves to plants also. He loves his friend Saket also. So he was a loving boy. Let's move to the analysis part. Now I'm going to ask some questions. Okay, my first question is, which character did we talk about? Yes, which character did we talk about? Who is the main character in the story? Right, we talked about Pranav. Yes, we talked about him a lot, and we have written about his qualities in this word web also. Yes, and my next question is, what words did we use to describe him? Yes, what words did we use to describe him? Yes, as I have shown in the word web, we have used all these words like kind, friendly, gentle, loving, sweet, caring, nice. So we have used all these words to describe Pranav. Yes student, my next question is, how can a word web help us to describe a character? How can a word web help us to describe a character? Word web हमारे कैसे help करता है किसी भी character को describe करने में? Yes, think about it. Yes, right. We can use a word web to bring together different words that describe a person. We can use a word web to bring together different words that describe a person. Means हम different words का use करते हैं जो एक ही person को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, उनको एक साथ कलेक्ट करने के लिए, उनको इकट्ठा लाने के लिए वी आर यूजिंग वर्ड वेब. दिस हाउ वर्ड वेब हेल्प अस अ लॉट. यस स्टूडेंट, नाउ इट इज टाइम फॉर द हॉट्स. दिस इज माय लास्ट क्वेश्चन. इज थिंक अबाउट इट. हाउ कैन अ वर्ड वेब हेल्प अस टू मेक सेंटेंसेस? हाउ कैन अ वर्ड वेब हेल्प अस टू मेक सेंटेंसेस? यस, राइट. वर्ड वेब हेल्प अस टू थिंक ऑफ the words to make sentences. Yes, right. Word web help us to think of words to use in sentences. Means word web हमारी कैसे help करता है? Words हमारे पास already होते हैं, then we can easily make sentences with those words. And we can use the words from the word web with other words to form a sentence. Means वर्ड वेब से कुछ वर्ड्स हम लेते हैं, देन वी आर यूजिंग दोज वर्ड्स विद द अदर वर्ड्स. कुछ दूसरे वर्ड्स के साथ उनको ऐड करके हम एक सेंटेंस फॉर्म कर लेते हैं. एंड वी आर एडिंग मोर वर्ड्स ऑल्सो. ऑल सेंटेंसेस मस्ट हैव नेमिंग वर्ड्स एंड डूइंग वर्ड्स, एंड वी आर एडिंग इजएमआर ऑल्सो to form a sentence. And most of the sentences are having describing words also. So this how this word verb help us. Like we are taking the words from here, and by using this word we are making a sentence. Like he is, like Pranav, we are talking about here Pranav. Pranav is a nice boy. Pranav is a nice boy. Here I have made the complete sentence. I have added some more words here. Yes, one I have taken from here and some words I have added from my side to complete a sentence. Let's move to the application part. What will you do? You will complete your S1, which is given on page number 41 in your workbook, and it must be completed within 10 minutes. Yes, you will complete your worksheet this. Yes students, now open page number 41 of your workbook. Now look at question number 1. Fill in the word web with words that describe Pranav. What will you do? You will write here some more words about Pranav which describes Pranav. Yes, I have some words I have written on the board. Please do not write the same words. Use your own word. And this how you will complete this word verb. Now look on question number 2. Write 2 sentences using words from the word verb. You will take any of the 2 words from the word verb, then you will make your own sentence. Yes students, what is your today's homework? Your homework is do practice question 1 to 4 which are given on page number 33 in your content book. At last, move to the summarization part. What have we learned today students? Right, we have learned about word verb. How to use a word verb to describe a person. Yes, in the main circle we have written Pranav, and then we have written about his qualities in other circles. This is how we can use the word verb, and word verb help us a lot. How? Yes, through the word verb, which words we are writing in the word verb, we can make the sentences. We are adding more words in those sentences, and this how word verb help us to describe a person. And so we have achieved our today's aim. Yes students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Be ready for your next class also, and the resources for the next class on your content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.